Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can remove the lock screen shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So the first step is to go to your lock screen editor, and to do this you can choose to open settings, then scroll and select Lock Screen and AOD, then tap on edit lock screen, or you can go to your lock screen directly, then long press to view the lock screen editor. Again, this works when you fold your phone. So when your phone has been folded like that and you want to access the lock screen editor, simply long press to open the editing menu. Then from here, you should see your current shortcuts on the lock screen. To remove one or to remove both, select either option, either right or left, and then tap on no app. And you can do this for the other side. Now you can see the empty spaces. So tap on done to save and apply the changes. And now when you glance at the lock screen, you no longer have any shortcuts. And again, this also applies for when your phone is unfolded. You can see my device no longer has any shortcuts on the lock screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.